Hey everybody, it's Supergirl KY here again with another Cricut creation. Since Valentine's Day is right around the corner, we will be making these adorable Valentine's Day cards I designed. On the far left, we have a Valentine's Day card for my mom, then one for my husband, and lastly, a gift tag for my dad. Once I was happy with the various designs, I went ahead and made sure everything was laid out nicely on the preview page, and then went ahead and made it. The exciting thing about this project is we will be using quite a few mediums today. We will be using Cricut pens, cardstock, and glitter cardstock with a Cricut. We will then be using a few others when we go to assemble them. Once everything was printed, I laid everything out. For the assembly, we will be using dimensionals and standard glue. By using dimensionals, it can really elevate your card design by putting emphasis on different parts of the card. For instance, on my mom's card, I used dimensionals on the sentiment and on the glitter cardstock heart. And I used standard glue for the colored backing paper and for the cute white border that goes underneath the glitter heart. Then for my husband's card, to add special emphasis, I put dimensionals on both the hearts, even though the smaller white heart is being stacked on top of the larger red heart. It just puts further emphasis and makes it more special. I also then put dimensionals on the sentiment that went along with the card, and I used standard glue then for the backing of the pink paper to adhere it to the main part of the card. Lastly, on my dad's gift tag, I just used dimensionals on the cute little sentiment, and I later attached the ribbon that went along with it. All of them were super quick to make, and they turned out beautifully. If you would like to make this yourself, The link to the design is in the description. Let me know in the comments which card is your favorite. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more arts and crafts projects. It has been a pleasure, and don't forget to have a super day.